I'm Jovin from 34, and today guys I'm going to show you how to solve the KineMaster error which pop up when you try to edit some of a video. That error leads as follows: KineMaster cannot be transcoded due to exceeding the device performance. As you can see that guys, KineMaster is one of the editing tools you can use to make several videos, or because it has many features you can use to make recorded video better and best. So guys, you can see over here I will try to edit some of my video that I recorded. So I'm going to click on create new, and then next, then I choose the video that I want to edit. As you can see here, I'm just choose this video, and the KineMaster keep sending me the message that I cannot continue editing this video if the following way that cannot be transcoded due to exceeding the device performance. So this error make me not continue to editing this video. But in this tutorial video guys, I'm going to show you how to solve such error and edit your video like a pro in this KineMaster software. So guys, before we get started, just take time to subscribe my YouTube channel Alpha24, hit the notification bell so as you don't miss a new video that I will upload regarding with the different ways to make money online, a tutorial, and how to make money on crypto space. And guys, don't forget to visit my website www.talkdigitally.com. In there you'll get tips and different ways to make money online. So guys, as I already show you that I will not continue to edit my video because the error in KineMaster, but on how to solve it, it is very simple. So now let's get started. So guys, as I told you prior, in order to solve this error, just open your KineMaster application, and once you open it, it will be look like this. But for me, I'm already open the KineMaster application, so I will click on setting. So that just first click on setting. There is different options like my information about KineMaster, etc. But you will need to choose the last button later, advanced and experimental setting. So the last option is advanced and experimental setting. This last button you see over here. So I click on advanced and experimental setting, which is in the background. Scroll down, see it down, and after that you see there is different setting over here. So I click on the second setting, which reads as enable saving with up to 60 fps. So I click on here on enable saving with up to 60 fps, which is the second option. I make it on, and after that there's another setting. This is the fourth item. It as unlimited video layer mode. So I click on unlimited video layer mode and turn it on like this. Yeah, you'll get the warning like that using unlimited layer feature may cause the app to show down or cause unexpected problem due to the exceeding hardware expectation. Are you sure you want to use it? So ignore it and continue anyway. So after that, let us test what we set up. So once I just fix those settings, I click on create new. So I shoot the videos that I want to edit. I'll choose the first video which I tried to edit, but I get the error message. So I click on this video. As you can see, guys, now the problem is solved. The problem is already solved, and now I can edit such video as I want. As you know that the KineMaster has a different option, like this. Yeah, I can trim my video, or I can cut. Instead, I can cut here and get printed, and then trim. I can trim as I want. You see, guys. Yeah, you can also hide the music like this. So there's different features you can use here. Or I can hide this audio. So guys, there's different things you can do here in KineMaster. KineMaster has a different feature. When you're choosing the media asset, I know guys know the content of KineMaster, what KineMaster contains. It's the best software in regard with editing. But if you want to get those feature, you need to pay. So as you can be a premium user like me. For me, I'm a premium user, so I can access any feature. Let me try another video so as I can see whether this problem is already or completely solved. So I'll try another video, this one, and you can see now this video is already here. So we already solved this problem. So guys, this is how you can solve the KineMaster error, which is that KineMaster cannot be transcoded due to the exceeding the device performance. Guys, just take time to subscribe my YouTube channel by clicking on the notification bell, and don't forget to join my community in Telegram and the Facebook, so you can get the video that I will upload regarding the different ways to make money online, the tech tutorial, and the different ways to make money online via crypto. Guys, thanks for watching. Bye.